Hi there. Welcome to this tutorial on freelancing. If you're considering becoming a freelancer, or you're already a freelancer looking to grow your business, this video is for you. So, what is freelancing? Simply put, freelancing is the act of working for yourself, rather than being employed by a company. This can take many forms, from writing and design to programming and consulting. So, how do you get started in freelancing? Here are some tips. Identify your skills. The first step in freelancing is to identify what skills you have to offer. This could be a skill you've developed through your career, or a hobby that you're passionate about. Build your portfolio. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to build your portfolio. This is a collection of your work that you can show to potential clients to demonstrate your skills and experience. Find clients. There are many ways to find clients as a freelancer, including online platforms like Upwork and Freelancer, networking events, and even just reaching out to potential clients directly. Set your rates, determine how much you want to charge for your services, and be sure to communicate this clearly to potential clients. It's also important to be flexible and willing to negotiate if necessary. Stay organized. As a freelancer, it's important to stay organized and manage your time effectively. Use tools like Trello and Asana to keep track of projects and deadlines, and be sure to set aside time for marketing and business development. By following these tips and consistently working to grow your freelancing business, you can turn your skills into a successful and fulfilling career. Good luck!